There was this really feisty back and forth between Maine's governor, Janet Mills, a Democrat, and President Trump, with President Trump calling out Maine for saying and saying that he would take away federal funding if they did not ban transgender athletes from competing in sports that did not identify with the gender that they were assigned at birth. So I want to play a little bit of that exchange. Take a listen.
Is Maine here, the governor of Maine?
Well, down here.
Are you not going to comply with it?
I'm complying with state and federal laws.
We are the federal law. Well, you better do it. You better do it because you're not going to get any federal funding at all if you don't. And by the way, your population, even though it's somewhat liberal, although I did very well there, your population doesn't want men playing in women's sports. So you better comply because otherwise you're not getting any federal funding.
See you in court.
Every state, good. I'll see you in court. I look forward to that. That should be a real easy one. And enjoy your life after governor, because I don't think you'll be in elected politics.
So, Ali, I mean, quite the scene there at the White House with the governor not backing down, saying, I will see you in court. If people couldn't hear, the president was also saying, are you going to comply with the law? And she said, I'm complying with the state and federal law. And Maine's stance right now is that federal law and state law bars discrimination of people, and that includes transgender Americans. And they see that executive order by President Trump barring transgender athletes from competing in sports as being violating people's civil rights. So that's where things stand. Definitely a showdown that's going to happen in the court, but also, as you saw, in the White House as well, Ali.